On tonight's episode, we're going to unbox the new Nano Sport.
And we've got some more drag racing footage.
Stay tuned. Welcome.
Welcome.
Tonight's episode is 89. 89 Ultra C Hobbies Show. He's Chris.
Aaron.
So thank you for tuning in to the Ultra C Hobbies Show.
Yes.
On every episode, we do unboxings like we're going to do tonight. We're going to talk about drag racing stuff, racing stuff. We do mods and a whole bunch of other cool things. What else do we do, Chris?
We do running footage, we do build videos, we do live footage.
Every Thursday at 6:30 on Facebook. So go ahead and go over to our Facebook page, give that a like, and get a notification every time we go live.
Put the bell on.
No, I think you can only do that on YouTube, my friend. Yeah, but I could try. But thank you for tuning into the channel, and welcome to STRC Hobbies.
Yes.
So on tonight's episode, like we said, we're going to unbox the new Team Associated Nano Sport. We're going to talk about some drag racing. We took Chris's car out for a couple of
Yeah, the snow melted for enough time.
Yeah, now it's completely covered.
Now, yeah.
Yeah, we're like white out. And it's still
no
snowing.
drag racing.
Womp womp.
Little paddles.
Yeah. So what do you want to do first? Do you want to do the unboxing and then drag?
Yeah, let's unbox these cool little trucks.
Let's unbox the Nano Sport. So here's some footage for you guys and gals. Okay. So we're here.
We've got a new thing to open.
So this is like way different than anything we've unboxed yet
It's not a
on
crawler.
this channel. It's not a crawler, it's not a racer, it's not
Basher.
anything. What kind of is a basher?
It's just pure fun.
Yeah, so this is the new Team Associated Nano Sport. So you're thinking like, this is a pretty big box. It's a pretty big box because there's two things in the box. So these are the new 1/32 scale, pretty much what I'm going to call like Rocket League without the rockets and things.
Yeah.
But RC Rocket League. So you get two cars in the kit, and it's going to come with everything you need in the box as well. So
you and your friend can now have fun.
race
Just like that.
and playing a game.
At
So
a good price.
yeah, so these retail for about 130 bucks. You obviously get two cars. You're gonna get a blue car
And
an orange car.
an orange car.
But Chris can't get out of the box. There you go. So you got a green car, green orange, blue green.
Red
And-
also.
And the cool part with this is, like I said, you get your double A's,
Yep.
you get a puck, a ball, and a radio.
All ready to go. And the vehicles charge off the radio as well.
Yeah. So, like Chris was saying, the cars do get charged off the radio.
Yep.
So it makes it kind of cool.
So they have a built-in LiPo battery.
Yeah, lithium ion. And then there's your charge cord. It runs right down the side here of the radio. There's a little slot cut out in that radio housing for this wire to go right through. And then you can always just charge it.
It even comes with a set of double A's to the remote, folks. So you are literally ready to run.
Yeah, ready to rip.
Ready to have a ball or puck.
So the other cool part with this is these boxes turn into your nets.
Oh!
So in each one of these cars, you get a foam ball and a foam hockey puck to go and score on one another. So we're gonna charge these bad boys up, and we're gonna have a quick little match and see who's a little better.
Who's the best?
Yeah, so stay tuned. Got everything unboxed.
Yeah.
You got the nets built. So you just take the insert out of
That
this
is
box.
nifty.
And you get a net. So you get two of them since it comes with two boxes. So we're
So we're
good
gonna
there.
show you guys the inside of this car, eh?
Yeah.
The body
Open her
comes
up.
off. There's two body pins right there that come out. And we're gonna lift this little guy off. Look at that cute little car.
It's pretty basic. So
So
it has
two-wheel
actually
drive.
rear suspension too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Does it have any front suspension at all? Yeah. Hey, it's even got springs in the front, dude.
Pretty impressed. That's pretty
My
cool.
Lanta.
So it's just going to be rear wheel drive. You are going to get a hard compound rubber tire.
Yeah.
And there is a tire that you can take off. So
Yeah.
this little T-wrench right there.
So when you wear it out from doing sweet skids, you can change them.
Yeah, so how does it charge?
So first of all, we take the cord, and there's actually a slit in the bottom of the remote, so you
Yep.
can actually just bring the cord right out. And then, if you look on the side of it right here, there's a little input. We're just gonna plug that guy into there, and on the remote, it's gonna show our charging indicator, and then we're just gonna sit here and wait 50 minutes for it to charge.
You said 50 or 15?
5-0.
50. 50 minutes to charge.
That's a little bit long, but
Wow.
we're gonna get them charged up, and we're gonna see how long they last. I think they're gonna last a pretty long time.
So we might as well read the manual.
It gives you a charging indicator.
Hey, it does too, right on top of the radio.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna read the manual. The other thing that I will say about these radios is they do have steering trim and the throttle dual rate built right into the top of them.
Squishy there.
So it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. So we're gonna get these charged up and we're gonna go have a match. We're pretty excited. Yeah. Okay, so we are good to go. So how you know these are done charging is the green light is coming on while it's charging. Now it's off, so it's done charging. So Chris has his car ready to go. I just gotta put the body on this. But there's one thing I do want to show everybody before we get going here too far. So on the top of this radio, it's gonna give you everything you need. But these cars are also gonna be set up with the dual rate. So throttle DR means dual rate. So the lesser the number in dual rate you have, the slower the car is gonna be. The higher number dual rate, the faster the car is gonna be. So out of the box, the dual rate setting is for 60%.
Yes.
So you're gonna have full modular throttle, full modular steering. So I'm gonna put the body on this one. We're gonna set this up, and then we have a guest that's gonna come play with it. So.
Boxes are the goal.
So what we gotta do is you have to start 2 feet away with the ball in the middle of the court. So we're gonna start. We're at 60% dual rates because honestly they're way too fast for here than you donuts. So ready? Do you want to count us down? From 3,
2, 1.
Oh! Do you like my zig and zagging? Where you going? You do a wraparound? Oh, I'm just gonna steal it. Oh no, it is! Oh shoot! 1-0, my dude. I hate this game. Dang it, I'm not good at sports.
Who's just gonna steal the ball?
Ready? You want to count us down again?
3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Oh!
He's aggressive. Kuda's like, come on, you guys.
Oh no! Oh no! We're out of play! We're out of play! Oh, my driving ability is not great. Okay, so you gotta get it. Oh! Oh no! Oh! Okay, so it's 1-1. And what we'll do is we'll do one more, and then we'll do game point, and then hand it off to the young guy because he wants to play. Ready? Want to count us down one more time?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! No! Oh no! Oh! Oh! This might actually be hard to get out. Oh! Oh no!
Oh, you lost it.
Okay, it's out of play at that point. Oh, he puts it on it!
That wasn't cheating.
They're pretty durable, eh?
Oh, oh dude, you're getting brave, dude. Oh, Fred.
No, come on, that's perfect. They really hold the ball really well.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no.
Nice driving.
Oh, no. No. Oh, dang it. No. No. There's interference on the play. Kick her back in.
Here back in.
Oh, no.
Good for the dog doesn't steal the ball.
First two goals came easy. Now they can't seem to get it.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Kick her back into play. Chris, not the net, man. Not the net.
Someone's gonna fix your goal.
Oh, there it is. Oh, this is terrible. Okay, you want to try it? There you go. It's actually a lot more fun than what people think it would be. So you get, I think so. They got some good slides for the kid. So I think with like the nose.
How was that, bud?
Awesome.
was awesome.
They are $139. So that we unboxed the new Nano Sport,
Yep.
and we had a little bit of a duel. We
Yeah.
still haven't figured out who won yet. It's still
No.
tied at 1-1. But I guess the question for today's episode is, what RC is keeping you entertained all winter?
Yeah, what are you playing with over the winter? Do you drive your normal rigs, or do you have something special you drive in the winter?
Or are you doing maintenance? Working on something? Building something?
That's what I'll be doing.
Yeah, that's what I'll be doing too.
UDR gets a full cage rebuild this winter.
I'm going to be building a drag car. Well, finishing a drag car.
Yes.
And I have a couple other builds in mind, but we'll see what happens. So comment on down below on what you're working on, what you're driving, or what's keeping you entertained in the RC industry over this awesome winter.
I might be
Thing.
building it to me a semi eventually.
A semi.
Yeah, so I might add that to the winter build list.
I love me the semis.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's get right into it. The next thing, let's talk about taking Chris's drag car out for the first couple passes.
Yeah.
It was pretty fun.
Yeah.
We ended up breaking
Yeah, it
some
launched
stuff.
pretty good. We ended up twisting the left rear drive shaft right off.
Yeah, she was
Yeah.
Ganzo.
Yeah.
Gown. So yeah, it's pretty brutal. But here's some footage for that.
Drag tire.
Okay, we're in a discreet location. Gotta wait for this last car to pass us. Here we go, we're gonna do a test hit. Huh. Oh. Yeah, that's bonus.
pretty good.
Dude, dude, you did a wheelie.
That was a good launch.
Yeah. We have found the weak point. So this is like 4 launches on concrete. Obviously with the slash tires, they're not really helping our cause, but that U-joint is twisted. It twisted out of this side too. And yeah, it's about as snapped could be. Deeps, you sir are a goon.
I did it.
You are a goon.
She launches well.
It launches really good. Nice setup, buddy. Nice setup. So one thing about drag racing
Yeah.
is wintertime. It's kind of hard to make some passes.
Yeah.
That's what
I
we noticed.
wheel spin.
Yeah. So we noticed
And
we were out there.
also, if you didn't notice, I was also running the stock BF Goodrich slash tires in the back.
Yeah.
So I mean, not a good tire to begin with.
Well, it was like 3/4 of the way worn
Yeah,
out.
yeah, they're almost balls.
And hard as
I
a
mean,
rock.
They're close to kind of slicks, but not good slicks.
Yeah, they were hard as a rock too. So
But
I mean,
we still
that
got
didn't
the
make
front
it-
end to lift.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it tucked well, and it went fairly straight. So
I'm pretty impressed.
I got some good data.
I mean,
took a data
honestly,
log.
it was super good until it hit the patch of ice and then flipped over about twice.
Yeah, I
three
mean,
times.
that
So I mean,
happens.
joys. But
minor body work.
yeah.
Yeah.
So one thing that's different that you're probably noticing, especially on this side of the screen.
Slightly
little empty.
empty.
So what we're doing here at the shop is we're making shopping for everybody local and everyone online a little bit easier. We're cleaning some stuff up, doing some winter cleaning and reorganizing. So you'll notice our website is going to get a little bit of a face makeover. We've been adding more products to that as well. So go over to www.ultrarchobbies.com, check it out. But in store, we've been moving some stuff around, making it easier for your shopping pleasure by kind of putting all of the products in one place, say for Traxxas, instead of having them in 2 places. We made a maintenance section now as well. We'll be carrying some more plastic models come the holiday season. So come on down, check it out.
Thanks for doing it the week I don't work too.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So now when you get back, it'd be like, oh my goodness, I don't know where anything
Well, that's
is.
fine. It's just, I don't have to do any of it. That's the nice part.
Touche. But I think we have one more thing talking about drag racing. We didn't install a wheelie bar, so sorry about that. The video was getting a little bit long last week, so we'll install a wheelie bar onto this slash, and we'll show you that right meow.
Didn't do it yet.
We are here. We're installing the new STRC aluminum adjustable wheelie bar. So the adjusters are actually on the top cam, and you can rotate it up or down, close to the ground or farther away from the ground, depending on what hole you put it in. So the tools you'll need for this are a 7mm nut driver and a 2mm hex wrench. So we're going to take tires off both sides because it will attach right here. So we'll get this unpackaged, get the tires off this beast, and we'll start installing a wheelie bar. Okay, so we have this unboxed. There's the 2 plates, the 3 inserts to go in between the plates to keep it strong so it doesn't twist, 2 bearings, and that's going to be what we use for wheels. And we have all of our hardware and 2 bearing pretty much holders. So you can do this a couple different ways. STRC says you can do it as a dual wheel or a single style wheel. So if you run the bearings like this, they call this a single wheel style wheelie bar. But you can also run them on the outsides like that, and that's how we're going to set it up. So that's what we'll do. The one thing you will need is the wheelie bar mount. So 3677 RPM also sells these in black and or blue. So you will need that, and it's going to mount using this hole right there and that hole right there. And you're going to have the cams at the top, so it's going to fit just like that. So let's get this time lapsed up, and we'll throw it together. The other thing you will want to use is going to be some blue thread lock to put these screws into these cross shafts for bracing. So we're going to grab our blue thread lock and start building. Okay, here it is. There's the finished product. That wheelie bar down there. So as you can see, we're running it kind of low. It's 3rd hole down from the top of the mount, and right now it is currently almost touching. So I could lift it up maybe a little bit, get the ride height set, and then you have some adjusting that you can do at the bar. So the one thing I will recommend about this part, putting it together wise, is how I did it. If you just skipped over the time lapse, is the one side, so one rail, lock all your screws down, get them tight. But this side, just get the screws started so you can move it out and in. It makes getting the back wheels on a lot easier, and it makes putting it on the car a lot easier. So going with the dual outside wheel setup, I think the biggest thing is it's gonna want to not pivot on the 2 inner bearings. So that's why we put them on the outside. But the fit and finish of this part is actually quite nice. I will say it fits quite nice on the old RuPaul build. So, digging it. I give this part a 8 out of 10. I wish they would include maybe some rubber wheels instead of those. So we're gonna see if we can mod some maybe Traxxas wheelie bar wheels on there or something. But fit and finish is quite nice. These are available in black, silver, gunmetal, or a super limited edition gold. I don't know if the gold is still available or not, but we're going to be stocking these. If you want a different color, obviously let me know and we can get them. But like I said, the only other thing you will need is that wheelie bar mount. So there we go. RuPaul, one step closer. So that is the end.
That's the end.
Episode number 89.
89.
STRC Hobbies Show. So thank you for watching.
It's 11 away from 100, man.
Yeah, but before we leave, you got to make sure you check out his social media pages.
Yeah.
RC Deeps, and he's on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.
Yeah.
Don't forget to check out our social media for the store, STRC Hobbies, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Like we said, we do a Facebook Live every Thursday at 6:30, so go over there and check that out. So thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you check out our website,
double
www.ultrarchobbies.com.
Look at you go, double slammer. And we'll catch you all on the next one. So thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
You missed, Chris.